I am Melissa May H. Mabato, Section 2E33B, Marinduque Class 2. I am now demonstrating about the topic activating a schema using the universe of text. Good morning, class. Thank you for attending my class. Before we begin, let us have a short prayer. Thank you. You may now sit down. Let me first check your attendance. Very good. Everyone is present today. Class, I want you to think about the time of pandemic. Most of us wore face masks daily, stayed at home and helped our families and neighbors in different ways. These experiences are example of what we call a schema, our prior knowledge. Today, we will use these experiences to understand a text better. At the end of today's lesson, you should be able to identify and apply schema activation strategies to enhance comprehension of a text. Second, value the importance of connecting a text to personal experiences, prior knowledge, and culture. And lastly, produce a written or oral response that shows comprehension and interpretation. Before we proceed, let us answer a short pre-assessment. Write true if the statement is correct and false if it is not correct. Number 1, activating a schema means connecting prior knowledge to the text. Number 2, personal experiences are irrelevant when interpreting a text. Number 3, predicting events in a story is one way to use a schema. Number 4, schema activation does not improve comprehension. Number 5, understanding the context of a text helps link it into prior knowledge. Number 6, schema can include cultural knowledge, past experiences, or learned concepts. Number 7, prior knowledge should not influence interpretation of a text. And number 8, lastly, relating to a text personally can provide deeper understanding. Let us check your answers. Okay, we're done enough. This activity shows that many of us already have an idea about schema activation. In our learning activities, imagine that you are working in groups. I will show you the key concept related to our text. Number 1, pandemic experiences. Number 2, community cooperation. Number 3, environmental changes. Number 4, family traditions. And number 5, act of heroism. Think about how each concept connects to your own experiences or cultural background. For example, pandemic experiences. Many remind us of wearing masks and helping others. This connection helps us understand text more deeply. In our concept mapping, now let us read the short story entitled mass reflections. During the height of pandemic, Aling Marta spent her mornings sewing cloth masks by her window. Each mask carried a different pattern, flowers, stripes, or plain white, yet all were stitched with same quiet hope. She gave them freely to neighbors, delivery riders, and children who passed by her small sari-sari store. Though fear lingered in the air, the simple act giving made her feel less alone and more connected to her community. In every mass she handed out, Aling Marta found out comfort, strength, and reminder that kindness can still thrive even in the most uncertain times. As you listen, think about how the events in the story connect to your own experiences during the pandemic. Using a concept map, we can match ideas from the text, our prior knowledge, and our personal experiences. For instance, Aling Marta sewing mask reminds us of community cooperation and kindness during difficult times. How did activating a schema help us understanding the text? The answer is, it helped us relate the story to our real life experiences. Which connections deepen the message of the story? The answer is, our experiences during the pandemic help us understand the theme of kindness and unity. To deepen our topic, at this point, imagine that you are writing a short reflection. For example, my experience during the pandemic helped me understand the story because I also witnessed acts of kindness in our community. Like Aling Marta, people help one another despite fear and uncertainty. This shows how schema deepens comprehension and interpretation. Now we move for the transfer task. Imagine that you are working in groups and choose a social issue related to the text, such as kindness during crisis or community cooperation. Using a schema activation, you will connect the issue to your personal experience, number one. Number two, and create a short story, poem, or reflective essay inspired by the text. Listen very carefully. Your work will be evaluated based on relevance, creativity, use of text elements, and mechanics. For our post-assessment, to assess your learning, answer the following questions. Let's look for this. What are these questions? Direction. Read each question carefully to choose the best answer. Number one, activating a schema helps readers A. Ignore the text. B. Connect prior knowledge to interpret the text. Letter C. Only memorize definitions, skip difficult parts. Number 2. Which is a way to activate the schema? Letter A. Predicting events based on prior knowledge, copying the text, ignoring the text, Letter D, highlighting random words. Number 3, how does prior knowledge help in comprehension? Letter A, makes reading slower. Letter B, helps understand characters, events, and themes. Letter D, confuses the reader. Number 4, relating a text to a personal experience allows the reader to A, misinterpret the text. B, connect deeply and gain insights. Letter C, forget the main idea. And letter D, only focus on facts. Let's move to the last number 5. Schema can include A, personal experiences, cultural knowledge, and fast learning. Letter B, only school lessons. Letter C, random facts unrelated to the text. And letter D, none of the above. Let us check the correct answer together. Now we're finished. This shows that activating a schema helps readers understand text better. In a generalization, do you know what is the schema? Schema refers to our prior knowledge, experiences, and cultural background. Again, schema refers to our prior knowledge and experiences and a cultural background. Always remember, reading becomes more meaningful when we connect the text to our own lives. Thank you for listening and participating. Goodbye, class.